So do I do a day of silence if I want to be in a state of ridiculous bliss? Or, can I just be in the world? I mean, my life is chaotic, Matthew. How do I get into ridiculous bliss? Do I have to escape and be a monk and go meditate in a cave? No, 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 no. Now, is it effective for you to take time for yourself to think and to, be introspective? Yes, of course, that's very effective. And I meditate every single day, and I highly recommend that you meditate every single day. But I find it equally valuable to fully engage the world, to just play full out, and then use my techniques of aligning, accepting, allowing, and honoring as tools to bring ridiculous bliss into every aspect of my life. You can do the exact same thing. So do you do a day of silence, or do you engage the world full blast? I say you try both.